Yes, this is Shipra again with my new DIY activity. And as we know that Christmas is very near, that beautiful time of the year. And so we are going to make this simple Christmas tree, which is very simple and easy to make. So let's see how we are going to make and what materials do we need. But before that, let us learn to fly high with yellow class DIY. So let's just start. We will be requiring any orange, red or dark orange color sheet. It should be a thick sheet. Then I have taken these strips. So what I have done, I have taken a A4 size sheet and I have just cut my thin strips. I have not taken any measurements. I just want thin strips. And we have made a star using some colors. Any color will do. I have taken a yellow color and a black or a brown sketch pen is good to make the stem of the tree. Okay, so crayons or brown or black sketch pen is good with us. Okay, so what we are going to do, just cut thin strips without any measurement kits. It should be approximately of the same size. So this way we are going to cut these strips. We will be requiring around 3 to 4 strips, not more than that. Then we will stick the strips first. So what we are going to do, we are going to place them together and we will stick at least 3 first. So just by simply applying glue here, stick the strips. Again, this is the second one I am joining. And if needed, we will see, we might use one more, but let's see. On a thick orange color sheet or a red color sheet or a dark orange, but it should be thick. Just start placing your this way. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm starting from here, taking the center here. And just start placing it. So what you have to do, wherever you will be doing the folding, just take care that you apply very less glue here at this point and then at this point. Then again at this point, this way. So it should increase in size. You can see that smaller, bigger, and this way we are increasing the width of our Christmas tree. So we'll start that way, kids. Very less glue here also and here also. So you can even apply glue later on at this point, but at least on these points you have to. So this is quite easy. Okay. It looks as if it is difficult, but basically it is not. It comes out very nicely. Just this way you have to apply very less glue. You can just keep glue in your hands also, and just a dot will work. and we will go like this. Now we will increase the length. So we really need one more strip. So I am quickly joining one more strip here also. So that's why I told you that we have to take care that how many strips do we need. So I have quickly stick one more strip like this. Join it nicely. And so we have finally reached here. Now we will just draw the stem with the help of our oil pastels or any brown color, black color, any sketch pen is also good. Just try to do inside also. Wherever you feel there is little space, that's all. This is the way we'll do it, just to show that the stem is going like this. Now we will take a thin sheet, any color will do. I'm taking yellow. We'll just draw a simple star. So for that star, what you have to do, a V like this, a V like this. Okay, so this is quite simple. A V like this and a V like this, and we'll cut it so that we can stick it on the top. I have kept my Christmas tree very simple. You can even stick small decorative pieces, stickers or glitter, whatever you want to do it. I have just kept it quite simple. So even those simple stickers which are available, you can stick that. And we will cut the star and we'll stick it on the top. We'll just draw the outline with a black sketch pen. Basically, doing an outline gives it a very clean and beautiful look. And we will stick it on the top here. Now, only one thing is left. We have to draw a very random outline out of this and we have to cut it. While cutting, you have to be little careful, kids. That we have to just give little cuttings, leaving the little borders here. See, that's giving a shadow-like effect to our tree. So, just draw it this way. Very little portion you have to leave so that it gives a shadow effect to your tree. And I'm doing, you can see I'm doing a rough cutting. Okay. Same way from here. So this gives a shadow-like effect on your Christmas tree. And we will cut it. So while cutting also, I'm not being very perfect. Very little I'm doing it. So it's basically a little rough hand or very easy going cutting I'm going to do. You can see I'm doing very simple and easy cutting, leaving little boundaries so that my tree can have that effect of this paper behind. Okay, just simply cut it like this. So yes, you can see I have cut a very rough cutting, giving this sheet is giving a shadow effect to my Christmas tree. Now kids, you can use anything. You can use glitter, you can use those stickers or anything to decorate your tree. I am leaving it up to you how you want to decorate. I wanted my Christmas tree, my shadow Christmas tree to be quite simple. So I hope you have liked the video. It was quite simple. Just follow the instructions and you will have a nice, beautiful Christmas tree. So wish you all a very happy and Merry Christmas. Shipra is going to come back again with more DIY activities. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.